Welcome back. A local organization is teaming up with the Kent County Health Department to address an ongoing concern in the community. Our Jamie Sherrod joins us live in the studio with more tonight. Jamie.
Josh, that major healthcare problem includes communicable diseases like HIV and sexually transmitted infections, both of which affect hundreds of people here in Kent County.
Do you know your status? That's a question Calvin Wen says everyone should be able to answer confidently.
The only way to know your status is to go get a test.
That's why the Grand Rapids African American Health Institute and the Kent County Health Department are bringing a free mobile testing site to the Hartside community.
We wanted to make sure we were targeting and being resourceful as possible in terms of the location.
According to the Kent County Health Department, 1 in 5 people have a sexually transmitted infection, which is caused by one person passing it on to another during sexual contact. Around 1,100 people living in Kent County have tested positive for HIV, which is spread through contact with infected blood, either through needles or unprotected sex. And 1 in every 8 people in Kent County live with HIV and don't know their status. The infection mostly affecting the Black community.
Not only in Kent County, but I believe nationwide, the Black and brown community have been far more impacted by HIV than really any other of their counterparts. The numbers are alarming.
They're working to bring awareness and debunk stigmas surrounding both HIV and STIs.
For example, in HIV, that it is a LGBTQ plus disease, and that is completely false. We know that HIV can affect anybody, and everybody is at risk.
Through education and encouraging people to know their status by offering free testing sites like this one, they're hoping to see a drop in the numbers in Kent County.
Really hoping we get a good turnout tomorrow, and I'm hoping we can again shift those numbers and get the education and the resources to people in need.
The event is taking place tomorrow from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. on the corner of Commerce Avenue and William Street, right outside of Mel Trotter Ministries. It is free to everyone who stops by. We also have more information about personal health services in Kent County. That's in this story on our website. Reporting in studio, Jamie Sherrod, Fox 17 News.